Hello YouTube, today I will be showing you how to upload your app to the Google Play Store from Android Studio. So I'm going to walk you through the whole process of creating an APK and uploading the APK and all the required stuff to the Play Store. So I'm going to go ahead and create a sample project here, and it's just going to display some text. It's not going to be anything complicated. And so you're just going to have to go ahead and create your own app. This isn't an app tutorial, it's just a upload to Google Play tutorial. So it's just going to display like tutorial app right here. So this right here is the point where you're supposed to be at with your app is complete, and go up to build, and you're going to click generate signed APK, and you're going to choose your app license. And if you don't have one already, you're just going to click create new, and you're going to go in here and you're just going to type in a password, confirm it, and then you're going to pick a key name, and it can't be the same as last time, so I just increase the number by 1 every single time. The years doesn't matter, you can be 125, and then just fill in your name, address, and everything right here. And I'm just going to cut that part so you don't know my address. So you just click next, then click V1 and V2, click next or finish, and this should take a couple minutes based on how big your app is. So this should just take a couple seconds because my app there's nothing to it. And as you can see, it's done, and I'm just going to locate it in my file system here. And as you can see, it created app release.apk, and we are done in Android Studio. So now we're going to go to the Google Play console, and you're going to sign in with your Google account and click create application, and you can name this. This is what the name will be in the Play Store. So I'm just going to name it tutorial app, and you're going to fill out the description and the full description. And you don't have to have a certain amount of characters, but there is a max limit to both. So I'm going to upload some assets. So you have to upload a screenshot from your app, and I'm just going to use screenshots from some of my other apps. I'm not going to create new screenshots. And you can do this from the emulator from Android Studio. And you're going to have to upload an icon and a feature image, and this is what the icon will be in the Play Store. And same with the feature. This will be above your app name. And again, I'm just doing random app logos that I already made. And you're going to go down here and click on application types, and just go down here and click don't fill out a privacy policy right now, but you may have to, but for me I don't have to for this app. And click save, and we are all done in the store listing. So we're going to upload our APK in the app release. So just go here, click opt out, and click browse files, and go into your Android Studio projects, find your project name, click app, go to release, and then upload the APK. And again, this should just take a couple seconds. And success, we have uploaded the APK to the Google Play console, and we can name our release whatever we want. So we are done with the upload of the APK. We're going to go here and fill out a content rating. So this is for your content. This is your content rating for how violent your game is, or if it's suitable for kids. So you're just going to go here and fill out all these questions, and it's all just going to be no for me because it's just a dumb basic app. And we're going to save it, and we're going to upload that content rating to our app, and we're going to make it free. You can make it paid, and we're going to select all countries, and we don't have ads, and we're just going to go in here and agree to both of these down here. Click save, and we are done with our app. So now we just go here to edit release, go down to review, and start rollout to production. So that is all to uploading your app to the Play Store. It's very easy, and it should take 30 minutes to an hour for it to show on the Play Store. So So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more Android Studio tutorials. Thanks.